Every landscape scene is unique, and so are the challenges we face while setting up our gear. The basic design of a tripod head hasn't changed in years. The day will come when tripod heads have no protruding knobs, uncanny leveling systems, and single-hand operation, so you never have to miss your shot.
Yeah, I wish.
Well, that day is here. We call it Platyball. Platyball is a revolutionary tripod ball head mount that has an inverted design. Let's take a look at what you can do with it.
So today we're in beautiful British Columbia shooting our friend Oliver doing some downhill mountain biking. Platyball makes my life easier. I can level my camera faster, and since the panning head is on top, I never go off axis when panning. Using Platyball is effortless. It allows me to focus more on my shot and less on the setup.
Platyball Elite has a built-in leveling indicator that allows me to get perfectly balanced shots. Other tripod heads have bubble levels. They're never in the right spot, it makes leveling difficult, and they're impossible to see at night.
Now, there's nothing in my way. The level is dead accurate, and it's calibrated with my camera's level, or any other camera for that matter.
Traveling and packing Platyball could not be easier. There are no protruding knobs, and it doesn't interfere with any of my gear.
We all understand the challenges and difficulties when shooting at low light. Luckily, the Platyball's level is powered by an A23 alkaline battery. This battery can be found anywhere that sells batteries. It's very common and inexpensive. It allows for the level to have 3 different brightnesses so you can shoot in daylight, sunset like right now, and at nighttime.
Thanks to Platyball's unique twist-action, ARCA-compatible clamp and push-button controls, it's all single-hand ergonomics. The other hand is free to focus, adjust exposure, and take pictures. You never have to search for adjustment controls because your fingers are already there.
And if you're a photographer that wants to use your in-camera level, there's also Platyball Ergo. Ergo retains all the same features as Platyball Elite, minus the LED modular level, which actually makes for a more slim design. Shooting with a heavy telephoto lens, it's not a problem. Both Ergo and Elite can handle up to 22 pounds or 10 kilograms of weight, thanks to its revolutionary worm gear mechanism.
Platyball Elite sports a metallic red body, while Ergo comes in a cool gray. Platyball is a revolutionary product from Platypod, a leader in state-of-the-art support for photographers. This is our 3rd Kickstarter campaign, and we're a company recognized for quality, innovative products, and reliability. We so appreciate our backers from the past and look forward to your help in changing the future of photography.